How to restart your graphics driver in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can restart your graphics driver in Windows 11. So if your screen is freezing, crashing, flickering, or displaying error messages or displaying poor graphics quality, then it is a great idea to restart your graphics driver, which will might resolve all of these issues. So let me show you how you can do this in a matter of time. So the most easiest method to do this is simply hitting a shortcut key using which you can easily restart your graphics driver. So let me show you the shortcut key via demonstrating it using the on-screen keyboard. So first let me open the on-screen keyboard. So now the shortcut key for resetting your graphics driver is that you hold the Windows key, the Control key, the Shift key, and then the B key. Once you will do this, your screen will flicker and it might produce a beeping sound with a flash in the screen. If that happens, that means that your graphics driver has been successfully reset. So just remember the combination, that is the Windows key plus the Control key plus the Shift key and then the B key. And once you will do this, your graphics driver will be automatically restarted and the issues that you might have been facing will eventually get resolved. So that's it for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, do consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comments if this worked for you or if you have any additional questions or suggestions to give. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting content and helpful videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.